Here we got the sandblaster. We made it bigger. This is just temporary for now, until I either seal it up or get sheet metal for it. It definitely needs to be sealed up better. Right now I have a cloth over it. Got 2 lights I hung in there, and it works significantly better. We're running an 11.9 CFM Kobalt compressor right now, 80 gallon from Lowe's. Don't mind my messy garage. This is the Cyclone, the original vacuum off of the sandblast cabinet that I'm using as a Cyclone. My Cincinnati dust collector on a 55 gallon drum. 1 horsepower Marathon. It doesn't work too bad. It works better with the metal drum rather than a plastic drum. And it does Venturi. It does work. And I have about 140 bucks into everything you see here because, well, for one, I had some of the stuff and got it for free. And the only thing I bought was the 100 foot of PEX and the fittings. And I ran the PEX all around the shop. And these 2 compressors over here on the side. So one looped in to the side from the compressor, and it comes out the top of the one tank into the side of the other and out the top, so it catches all the water too. And I have them on a lean, so it's leaned. Then I just tip it up and into the water. But now this is significantly faster. We got this wheel done in 2 minutes. The face of it anyway, most of it. It probably would have took me maybe 10, 15, probably not 15, probably more like 10 to 12. And that's still significantly faster. It's a whole different machine. I drilled the center of the gun has a more or less the Venturi valve where you adjust that back and it actually pulls the sand. It's like a little tube. So I drilled that 2 sizes bigger. And then I had a wore out ceramic nozzle that I had to use because it was backflowing with the smaller nozzles, the ceramic nozzles. So now it can't run a 6 or a 7 nozzle anymore. It'll backflow up back through the bottom of the sandblaster. But it's what a difference. Now I think I'm gonna get another tank, and I'm gonna hook my Ingersoll Rand up. I have an Ingersoll Rand 242D. It's an older, quiet, nice, really nice and smooth running machine. It pumps more CFM than this Kobalt. Before, the pressure would drop off so fast. Within 10 seconds, it was like killing all my air pressure. Now it's a lot better. Got most of that rim. Well, leave a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.